Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, you need to turn off the water to the refrigerator. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the water tank assembly in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new water tank assembly. The water tank assembly is mounted inside the left refrigerator door at the bottom. It stores and chills water before it gets dispensed. If drinking water comes out of the dispenser with some air bubbles, or there's water leaking from the bottom of the left side door, or the water dispenser is dripping, it's time to check the water tank assembly and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the left side door. The water tank assembly is located behind this cover, and the cover is held in place by one Phillips screw right in there. I'm going to use the Phillips screwdriver. Going to take the screw out. All right, so we're going to pull up on this cover, and we can release the shelf. Okay, let's place the towel on the floor right under the door. Also, if you wish, you can put a small container there. So I'm going to pull out the water tank, and we need to disconnect these two lines here. This one, we need to take this safety ring. Only if I can pull it out. Yes. And then I'm going to press in the collar and pull out that blue line. As I predicted, we have some water coming out. And then we need to take out this one. So let's just press in the collar and pull out this water hose. Right. This is the old water tank assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, now we have here a new water tank assembly. And start with removing this end cap. And I'm going to place this into this port, push it in all the way. Make sure it stays firmly. And then we're going to place this locking ring here, safety ring, and we're going to insert this blue hose into the water valve. Again, press it in firmly. Make sure it's not coming out. And then we're gonna place this new water tank into the cavity. Let's remove the towel. So let's place the cover on with this frame goes over that latch here. And I'm gonna press the right side in. Then I'm going to put the screw in just a couple of turns and push it back just a little bit, and we can install this shelf on. I'm gonna lock on the top of this cover, so press in the cover and then we can tighten the screw using that Phillips screwdriver. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge in, open the water, and check if there are any leaks. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.